This is our vestibule. It's where the jackets go and the garbage before I take it out. Mostly we don't spend time in there. Come on. This is our hallway. This is where all the doors to places are. I recently moved a bookshop out here. None of this furniture belongs to me. I'd like to replace this. Just picture like a circular mirror. Yeah? First room is our bedroom. This is where the magic happens, as I used to say on MTV's scripts. It's never this clean. Literally never, unless I'm filming a video. Yeah. There's not much else to say about it. Everything is from IKEA, and this chair is from Facebook Marketplace. Edinburgh. There you go. Duvet covers are from Primark, and this lovely blanket is a wool blanket from the Tartan Blanket Company. We don't have anything on the walls apart from a print that I got in Gothenburg in Sweden, and then we bought the wrong size of a frame, so we put it in that and we put it on the wall. And I believe that is a set list from something Angus played. I put it up because it was on the floor when I moved in. Okay, we're back in the hallway. Quick, this mat, and I say mat because it's not a rug, it is a bath mat from H&M. But it looks like a rug, doesn't it? That's why we bought it. So we have two options here. That's right, two. I know you see more doors than that, but the one right next to you is our closet. And the one right next to me is the forbidden bathroom. It's really gross in there. There's no window, and only men lived in here before me. So there's a lot of mildew, and I feel like if you go in there, you'll feel the damp, even though you're on the other side of the camera. Also, it's just gross, so you're not seeing that. Let's just stick with bedrooms. This is our spare bedroom, also known as Angus's current office. Work from home stuff. Come on in. There's a lot of room right here now. There used to be a chair here, but I moved it from this room to the other room. This is from Oliver Bonus. I really like it, and I wish it suited the other room better. That's fine. And the duvet covers are from Primark again. Pillowcase cover is from H&M Home. It's my favorite place to get those. Everything else, I believe, is IKEA. Apart from the turntable, the computer, and all that apparatus. The chair Angus got from charity shop. Curtains were here when we got there, and all the stuff in the little windowsill is random stuff that I have accumulated over the years. And that's all. The guitars belong to Angus. I don't know where they're from. Oh, and in here, this is my closet. This is where I recently decluttered, and everything I decluttered from here in my video, which you should watch, is now living behind the door. So those are all the things I took out, and now I can't donate because we are living in a global pandemic. And this is where I keep my towels because, like I said, bathroom doesn't have a window, but this room does. So I dry my towels in here. Otherwise they start to smell. Come on. Okay, last doorway. This is the living room? Sitting room? I don't know. All of the furniture in here is from somewhere that I don't know. It was all here when I moved in, and we've moved things. There's two sofas. That sofa used to be here, and it blocked the beautiful Juliet windows behind me. So we moved it there, which now you can't get into the kitchen as well, but it's out of the way at least. These, I believe, are from Anta, because when we moved in, there was a ton of stuff from Anta, so I imagine these are from there because they were here when we moved in. And this other tartan bit is from the Tartan Blanket Company. They don't go together, I know that, but it's the best I can do. So, yeah. This sofa I like a bit better. This is a sofa that I spend all of my time on, snacking, watching Netflix. contemplating life. All of the cushion covers are from H&M Home. This one, sneaky, is a Christmas cushion cover that we have now turned around year-round now, right? And this one is not from H&M Home, sorry, that was a lie. This one's from Etsy. My mommy bought it for me. I don't really watch Gilmore Girls, but yeah. This blanket was one of the first things I bought when I moved to Scotland. It's from Sainsbury's, and there was no blankets in my old flat, so I went to Sainsbury's and I bought it. Yeah. So it's basically just small things in here that I purchased and brought in. My little wicker bag, which is from H&M, and is full of blankets and knitting. Plants are from various places. Actually, both of these are from Oliver Bonus. This is the easiest place for me to find cheap plants. This potter is from Anthropology. It's the only thing in Anthropology I can afford. This lovely little chair, not the one I'm holding, the one behind it. This is the chair for my plant. I think all plants should have a chair. It's from a thrift store in Morningside? A fancy thrift store. I love it. And yeah, more just books and bits and bobs. Here, in this corner, I have my most prized vases yet. They're from Brookwood Pottery, and they're full of dried flowers from Asda that I dried myself by leaving them in there with no water, which is definitely not how you do that. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this room. We've got more things from thrift stores, more plants, my yoga mat hidden in the corner, and then this is a kitchen. It's very small, that's why our dining area is in the sitting room, but it has everything you need in it. I recently moved it around so that everything was a little less cluttered. We do have a calendar with a cow on it. His name is Crouton. In fact, no, it's Marty Crouton Valentino. He's from New York. We do also have a bull. That's Man with Prize Bull. We got that at a charity shop. You may have missed it, but there was Man with Woolly Sheep and also Big Piggy in the Moonlight in the other rooms. We just like to sneak them around the flat. This is my new corner in the kitchen. This is where our tea making station is. So all of our tea is here, and you can put your hot mug here, and then you can just throw your tea bag into the trash right after you're done steeping your tea. This is also here. This is peak quarantine, baby. I don't know if you can see, but I'm getting some roots on my green onions, and they are regenerating themselves. I'm never gonna have to buy my own green onions ever again. This is our fruit bowl, and this is our vegetable brush. This is our fridge. This is where our booze is kept. Oh yeah, I see you saw some interest in that. This is possibly my most prized possession. This is a turtle made by my dog Cordelia in 2019. It was a very expensive piece of artwork. Yeah. So that's the kitchen. It's still dirty because we cooked in here, but you know, anything else to show you? We have a few prints on the wall you may have noticed. This is from an antique shop in Doon. Yeah, I got that right. And the one on this corner, which you can see on the way out, is from Finiston Clothing in Glasgow. And it's basically an old poster to advertise shipping or sending people from Glasgow to Canada. We got it because Angus is technically kind of from Glasgow, and I am less technically and definitely from Canada. Yeah, that's all. Let me show you out. Again, we're back in the vestibule. I definitely am not going to fit in there with you, so you should probably go ahead of me. This is a constant struggle we face. Thanks for watching.